funeral practices of Golla community in Telangana.
Respected President of this session, Raman sir and Tata Silva sir and co-paper presenters, scholars, dear friends, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. P. Tirupati. I am working as a junior lecturer. My paper title is Funeral Practicing of Golla Community in Telangana, a field study, ethnographic study. This paper, due to the lack of time, I given briefly only. This paper explores the funerary practice of the Golla community in Telangana state through and ethnographic study. The Gollas are the prominent and ancient pastoral caste in Telangana. Their main occupation is animal rearing. They widely distribute across all Telangana, in all districts of Telangana, whose social life and cultural identity are deeply rooted in the animal rearing and ritual traditions. They have unique traditions. Among these traditions, death rituals play a crucial role in maintaining the spiritual order and in social unity. My study is based on the 16 months of fieldwork conducted between the 6th September to 2024 to selected villages in Ethwal districts of Karimnagar district. This document was drafted with the practice and observation and death interviews with the Golla community elders. According to the Golla community, the death is not an end of the life. They believe that after the death, the soul goes to the world of ancestors. To help the soul travel peacefully, the family and community perform the several rituals and ceremonies. When a person is about going to die, the family members give them holy water or milk, which is called Jivaganji. After the death of the body is cleaned and decorated and taken in a funeral process to the cremation ground. Usually the son light the funeral fire following the many traditional rulers. In some practice cases, such as children, burial is done instead of cremation. So I would like to, what is my paper aim is, I explain the total funeral practice of the Golla community from at the time of death and also funeral processes after the forced funeral practices. So the forced funeral practices, I explain what is the third day, what is the fifth day performance, what is the ninth day performance, what is the last day performance. All these performances are clearly explained in my paper, and also I explain what is the importance my paper I given in the conclusions. Thank you, sir. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
చాలామంది మనం అందరం కూడా సంస్కృతి అనగానే పెళ్ళిళ్ళ దగ్గరనే ఆగిపోతూ ఉంటాం. పెళ్ళితో పాటు చావు కూడా మన జీవితంలో భాగం. గొల్లల సంస్కృతిలో చావు ఎట్లా 10 రోజులు ఎట్లా చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, జీవగంజి నుంచి 10 రోజుల దశదిన కర్మ వరకు ఎట్లా చేస్తారు, ఆ తర్వాత ఏడాది మాసికాలు ఎట్లా పెడతారు అనేది తన పేపర్లో వివరంగా రాసిండు. అభినందనలు తిరుపతి, ఎందుకంటే ఆయన జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో హిస్టరీ లెక్చరర్గా పనిచేస్తుండు. అప్పుడప్పుడు కాకుండా ఎప్పుడు ఏదో ఒకటి రాస్తూ ఉంటే ఆ సంస్కృతి గురించి మిగతా కమ్యూనిటీస్ కూడా తెలుస్తూ ఉంటుంది. అది ఆ పని చేయాలని చెప్పి కోరుతూ అభినందనలు తిరుపతి.